Well, good morning, everyone, team. Let me start the session for today. Sorry, everyone, for keeping you wait, team. Just as it's a demo, we've been waiting for a couple of other participants to join. Sorry for that. So, first of all, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings to every one of you, team. Thank you, everyone, for joining the session today. So, let me start the session for today, team. Before starting the session, can any one of you please confirm, team? Am I audible to every one of you?
Yes, audible. Yeah.
Audible. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
Yes,
Kumar, you're
audible.
audible.
Yeah. Thank you. I got the confirmation. Thanks, everyone, team. So just I'm checking whether it's audible to everyone or not. So, team, again, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings to every one of you, team. My name is Kumar, and I am the trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the session for today, there is an announcement to you, team. So whoever the people joined the session today, team, we have kept everyone in mute. Why? Because, team, today in this demo, we have mix of participants joined the session. Like we have the participants from different backgrounds. I mean to say, we have freshers who recently college passed out and they are looking for good technology in the market to start their career in IT industry. And we have some people who completed their graduation in last 2 3 years or 4 years having career gaps. Now they want to learn something good in the market and they want to start their career in IT team. And we also have couple of participants from non-IT experiences. Prior to this, you might be working as a HR recruiter, or you might be working as a US staffing recruiter, or you might be working in some sales domain, finance domain, or into some other non-IT desk jobs you might be into, team. Now you want to learn this technology and you want to have your career transition into IT team. And we also have some participants having existing IT careers team into other technologies they might be working. They might be working into testing. They might be into AWS. They might be into DevOps, or they are into MSBI. From different existing other IT experiences, you are planning to learn this Oracle technology and you want to start your career team. So considering mix of population attending the demo today, we kept everyone in mute, team. Why? Because if I start taking the doubts in between the session, team, the other participants will get impacted or carried away. Your question might not be relevant to them. They might have some other question in their mind, team. So by keeping everyone interest in mind, I kept everyone in mute. But at the end of the session, I will have Q&A round with every one of you, team. So I request everyone for next 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Today's demo, we might slightly stretch more time, team. For the next 1.5 hours, I request everyone, please be on the mute, enjoy the session, team. If you have any questions in between, park your questions, team. Note it down. At the end of the class, I will unmute and I will take up the questions from every one of you, team. Without answering, I will not leave the session today. So don't worry, all your questions will get addressed. But team, I can tell you one thing. After completing the session today, maximum of your questions, team, 70 to 80% of your questions, what you have in your mind, will get addressed in this session only, team. Because I've been training the students from almost 10 years from now, team. I mean to say, since 2015, we are in this training industry. Triotech Software Trainings, we started in 2015. Since then, we've been training hundreds of students every month, team. Okay, like you. So I've been interacting with many of my students and even people who joined the demo today. From last 1 week or 10 days, you've been walked through to the office and you've been directly spoke with me and you had an interaction. Whenever I had an interaction with the students before enrolling to the program, what sort of questions they have in mind from different backgrounds, although they come from. What usually you have in mind, team? First of all, what is this technology is for? And are you suitable to learn this technology or not? What will be the career scope in this technology? Whether any recession impacts will be there, or you have a career break. Can you learn this and can you apply for the jobs? Companies will recruit you, or you don't know any prior coding knowledges with respective to any technologies team. Can you learn this technology? These sort of questions many of you will be having in your mind. So team, within due course of time, within next 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes, in this session only, I am going to cover all that topics team. So 70 to 80% of your questions will get addressed within this session only. So I request everyone, please focus the session for next 1 hour team so that you will get maximum details what you are expecting from this demo team. Okay. Now, let me get into the demo for today team. Why we are here team? For what purpose you joined the demo today? Today, we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Why we are here today? We are here today to have demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So today in this demo, I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences. So today I'm going to introduce to you one such high demanded application in the market, which is completely zero coding. When I say zero, it's zero, not minimal. Completely zero coding and suitable for non-IT experiences people also team. Because team, many of you will have a problem with this coding concept. I know many students when I'm been interacting also team, they will say me, Kumar, we don't know any prior skill set learning this technology, Kumar. We don't know any basic languages also, like we don't know C language, C++ or SQL, Java, Python, any of the coding related or any of the query related languages we don't know, Kumar. Yes, team. So no need to learn anything before you are learning this Oracle HCM Cloud. We don't have any prerequisites team. This is completely zero coding application. People from any background can learn this team. And with the non-IT experiences I'm keeping here. Why? Companies not looking at your graduation technicality team. You are from BTech, that too from computer science. Then only you are eligible to learn this technology. Or you are from MCA, then only you are eligible. No team. There is no criteria of graduation or your education in this technology. You might be from non-IT domains, BA, Bachelor of Arts, BCom, BSc, MBA, or MCom, or any science backgrounds you come from also. Companies will be taking in this technology team. They only looking at your technicality. They only look at your technical skills with this technology team. How knowledgeable you are in this domain, how good you are in this domain. That's all team. We have many testimonials team from our prior experiences, people with different educational backgrounds being placing in this technology team. So today I'm going to introduce to you one such product which is completely zero coding, and people from any other domain experiences or other graduations other than IT can learn and can get job in this domain team. That is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application team. What is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud? HCM means what team? Human Capital Management. So what is this? I will come when I'm explaining you the concept of ERP introduction to the application team. But before starting the agenda for today, what we are going to discuss in today's demo session team, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am. Many of you probably might be knowing about me team. I mean, already you have been spoke with me, or you might be reached to office and you discuss it with me. But let me introduce about myself in a brief for the people who directly joined the demo session team. Okay. So as I told you, my name is Kumar and I am a Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 plus years of experience team, and in which 12 plus years into IT consulting. So I'm having total 14 plus years of career experience team. Out of that, last 12 plus years, I'm into this IT consulting. So I started with PeopleSoft and Oracle EBS HRMS also. I have been associated later on team. And from last 9 years, I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. From 2015 onwards, close to 10 years by this time team, I've been associated with this Oracle HCM Cloud applications team. And if you ask my professional experience team, I have been part of 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects covering multiple legislations like US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE. So I have been part of close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation projects and support projects in this Oracle HCM Cloud implementations team. So I have multi-country exposure in this domain. Coming to the clients, the projects that I worked on, they hail from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE, all these regions team. So I can say that I have worked for the clients from different countries team. So I have multi-legislative exposure in this technology team. I worked for several upgradation projects, several rollout projects in this domain team. And I'm a corporate trainer who delivered 25 plus corporate trainings to several companies team. Like how we conduct trainings every month in Triotech team. We do also conduct the trainings in different corporate companies. Okay. Okay. What team? Something like companies will be reaching out to us for training their employees in their in-house team. So I've been associated with several corporate trainings with Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, TCS, American Express, DHL. Few of them are these, but we have close to 25 plus corporate trainings I have served so far team. Okay. And I'm an ex-Deloitte Infosys E&Y employee. Currently also, I'm working for an MNC where I'm working for one of the global client. My client having presence in close to 90 plus countries team. That is a big global rollout project going on currently. I'm acting as a solution architect for that project team. And I've been maintaining close to 18 plus resources in my project under me. This is what my professional or my training experience with this domain team. So when I say countries here, 14 plus projects, when I say I worked on, these clients comes from different industries. They're into automotive, they're into retail, they're into banking and financial, they're into manufacturing, they're into IT. So different clients from different industries, the projects that I have worked on, they are from team. And as I told you, I'm a Oracle certified implementation specialist team. Whatever the modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team, I have close to 6-7 certifications in this respective technology team. So this is my professional experience with respective to Oracle HCM Cloud. Why I am telling you means before you are learning a subject from someone, you should also know about what that person accreditation is, what sort of experience he is having, what change that he can bring in your knowledge curve when you are learning something from him. Okay. So this is what my professional experience team. Now let me move on to today's demo agenda team. What we are going to discuss in today's demo session team. So firstly team, I will talk about introduction to ERP because our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team, our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team are part of ERP family team, enterprise resource planning. We have one concept called ERP. So our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team, part of ERP family. So I know experienced people who joined the session today from other IT experiences you have, you might aware of this team, or people from e-business suite or PeopleSoft backgrounds. If you are joining, you might aware of this, but keeping other people's interests also in mind. We'll start from scratch. So here team, first I will explain you introduction to ERP. What is ERP? Why companies use ERP products in their day-to-day life? What are the different products in the market we have along with Oracle Fusion applications team? And then I will introduce to you what is Oracle Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. Means team, what exactly this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application means. For what purpose companies will use this product. Then its background team. When Oracle introduced these applications in the market, prior to this, what are the existing ERPs in the market are there? The entire background of the Fusion application, evaluation of the Fusion application, I will explain you here, team. And then I will touch base to you on types of companies involved. See team, whenever you learning any software technology, it could be Oracle Fusion, it could be AWS, it could be Azure, any IT application you are learning team, you should know about types of companies involved because we should be knowing who is called as vendor company, who is implementation company, who is called as client or the customer. Because team, from now onwards going forward, I will be using the word client, or even in the IT industry, the word client is very commonly hearing word team. So I will introduce to you here types of companies involved here team. Who sell Oracle Fusion product in the market? Then who will purchase? For what purpose? What implementation companies will do? And once you learn this technology, in what sort of companies you will be working on what roles? That I will touch base here, team. And then I will introduce to you Fusion environment releases team. Every software application will have the release versions team. How we have our iPhone or Android mobile, if you take, the softwares will upgrade on a timely manner. Android 7.1 to 9.1 or iOS 10 to iOS 11. How the softwares upgrade on a timely manner. Oracle Fusion applications also upgrades on a timely manner team. Here I will introduce to you that upgradation policy Oracle following. And when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the release version that they came up with? And we are in 2025 in the March month now, 26th March today. As of today, what is the latest version of the Fusion application? How the upgrade happening in Oracle Fusion? I will explain you. This is very important thing. When you go for the interviews also, the questions related to these aspects will be quite evident. So I will introduce to you that team. Then I will touch base to you modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Many of you asking me, even before demo who reached out to me, people asking me, Kumar, people are saying that functional, technical, different modules are there. What we have to learn? What is your course curriculum is? Here I am going to introduce to you that team. What modules we have in this technology? What comes under functional? What comes under technical? And what we are going to offer as part of this program team. And then I will talk about career opportunities in Oracle HCM Cloud. What sort of designations, roles that company recruiting us. And once we start our career now, down the line, next 10, 15 years, to what positions that we will be promoted, that career opportunities I will discuss here, team. And then I will touch base to you on Oracle Knowledge Repository, team, where you can access Oracle standard delivered documents for this technology, team. See, after enrollment today, we are going to share you the materials folder, the custom materials, what we prepared for learning perspective, team. But along with that, if you want to access Oracle standard materials to learn from Oracle documents, team, where we have to go and where we have to, okay, where we have to get this downloaded, I will show you, team. And then some of you asking me about certification. Kumar, does certification mandatory to do? Just if we learn the technology, companies won't give us the job. First of all, certification is not mandatory, team. But even then, if anyone want to do, how the certification process will be, how the examination pattern, what is the cost you have to book the exam with Oracle, then what support we are going to provide to you. That all I will tell you here, team. And finally, we will conclude the demo today with why to choose Triotech software trainings, why Kumar as your trainer. Okay, why Kumar as your trainer. So these are the things that we planned out for today's demo, team. So I'm informing you that today slightly the session will get extended. I require everyone's participation till the end of the session, team. Then only we can cover all the things that what required before you starting the program to learn, team. So we are going to start the actual concept, team. So I request everyone, please focus. Don't keep your mobile side by side. Don't scroll your Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. Focus, team, for next 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes and try to understand what is this technology, how good this will be for you to choose as a career, team. Okay. Now let me move on to the very first topic for today, team, introduction to ERP. But even before that, the very first common question every one of us will have, for whom this course is for? Kumar, who can learn this course? Can I learn this course or not? If you go through this slide, team, you can understand. Every one of us will fall in any one of these points here, team. What are they? What are they? For whom this course is for. If you are in your final year of degree or you have just completed your graduation, team, freshers who recently completed the graduation, don't know what to do, which technology to opt for, or you are in your final year of degree, you want to learn a good technology, by the time you come out of the college, you want to get placed, or you want to get a high paying job moving out of your current unstable jobs, team, for non-IT people or from existing IT experiences only, but in other domains, team. If you are from any of these criteria, team, or if you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in next 4 to 5 years, this is not an exaggeration, team. I'm talking with the real statistics. In this domain, fresher with an average salary of 4.5 to 6 lakhs companies recruiting, team. and a person with 4 to 5 years of relevant experience in this domain, company is providing 25 to 35 lakh CTCs also, team. So if you are aiming in the next 4 to 5 years with this packages, team, then this technology is suitable to you. Finally, people from any background, any degree, career gaps, non-IT experiences, freshers, if you fall in any of these criteria, team, you are eligible to learn this course. And as I already told you, this is completely no coding technology, zero coding technology. So if you have a hesitation about coding, you don't know any technical skills prior to this, absolutely no worries, team. You can learn this technology and you can get this expert level knowledge in this domain. Okay. So now you can choose. You fall in any of these criteria, then you are eligible to learn this technology, team. Right? Now, let me move on to ERP. What is ERP, team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. What is that, team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Basically, team, ERP is nothing but it's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, manufacturing, human resource activity. See, team, simple I will tell in a simplest way I will tell you, team. You take any company in the market as an example in your day-to-day life. Reliance Industries you take, Tata Group you take, Amazon, Google, Facebook, Tesla, any company that you know in your day-to-day life, you take it as an example, team. See, in every organization, different business activities are involved. Means, team, in every company, there will be human resource department or human resource wing team. What the human resource people in every company will do, team, the HR people in every organization responsible for employee management in that company. Means straight from recruiting the employees to the company, their employee management, like their transfers, their promotions, their demotions, every month, their leaves, their salary processings, their performance appraisals, hire to retire of the employee will be handled in every company by HR department people. Then in every department, in every company, finance department or finance business area will be there. They are responsible for all companies' cash flows, accounts payables, receivables, balance sheets, everything they will maintain, team, for the company. Then if it is a manufacturing company, team, supply chain business area, procurement business area, sales, marketing, right, team? If you take any company in the market as an example, team, in every company, different business activities or business processes are involved, team. So in order to conduct all these business activities, companies requires a modular tech-based software applications. For example, we'll talk about human resources, team, because our technology, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, human capital management, because it is a HR related application. Let us talk about that, team. For example, human resource department activities you take. So, team, in every company, the HR people will take care of all the HR activities, team. So in order to do their day-to-day HR activities, team, company requires a tech-based software application. You might ask me, team, Kumar, prior to this ERP application software technologies, 1990, 1985 or 1970, how they have conducted, Kumar? Everything manual, team. They used to maintain books or Excel, Word, everything. How many employees working? 50 employees. How many employees present today? How many employees absent today? Or for how many employees salaries paid this month? Everything used to maintain manually, team. See, now also small companies will maintain manually. If 10 employees, 20 employees, 50 employees, 100 employees, okay, you can maintain all these activities manually. Let's say a company having 1,000 employees team, 2,000 employees, 5,000 employees. Will HR able to manage all the activities manually by writing them in the books, Excels, Words? They can't do, right, team? So every company in the market will be using the ERP products in their day-to-day business activities to perform. One such product offered by Oracle Corporation, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. This is a HR related software application team in any company in order to conduct their day-to-day HR activities. Companies will be using team. Now people will get a doubt. Hey, Kumar, we are learning HR subject. HR means market is very dry. The packages are very less. We don't have good opportunities. No, you are not starting your career as a domain HRs or a recruiters team. This is a HR related software application. Once you learn this, you will work as a software engineers in the software companies in this domain team. So please don't be in the impression. Why I'm telling you, yesterday also one of the student, I don't know whether he joined today or not. He was asking me after I explaining everything, he's asking me, Kumar, we will start as a HR in the company. No, why the confusion? We are not joining as a HRs in the company's team. Many HRs moving their careers or transitioning their careers into this domain. This is a HR domain related software application team. So once you learn this, you will work as a IT consultant, software engineers in this technology in software companies team. So ERP is a concept, is a category, or ERP is a family team. Under ERP, there are different products offered by different companies in the market team. Oracle offering Oracle Fusion application. Then we have SAP, we have Salesforce, Northgate, Pegasus, Sage, or our very well-known Indian ERP, Zoho. How many of you aware of this? I don't know, team. Zoho. These all are the different ERP products in the market team. So just to make you clear what are the different available ERP products, I kept all these companies name team. So the concept of ERP is this one. It's a category team or it's a family. Under ERP category, different ERP products offered by different companies. We are going to learn one such technology which is owned by Oracle Corporation, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So for what purpose this technology will be used, team? In any company, in order to do the day-to-day HR activities, this technology will be used in the market team. So that is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications about team. Now, if I move on to what is Oracle Fusion applications? See, team, if anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Oracle Fusion applications, Kumar? I can best describe Fusion applications as they built on open standard based platform, they built on best business processes, and they can be deployed through selection of options. What are these things, team? Built on open standard based platform. See, team, the backend of the Fusion application, the schema, the backend, Oracle applications built on all these technologies, team. These all are the different individual technical tools available in the market. Oracle SOA, WebLogic Server, JDeveloper, Web Center Portal, OBIEE. See, people from middleware backgrounds, development backgrounds, you can know, team. So this is just for information I kept. In the interviews, you won't get the question related to this. So team, the backend of the Fusion applications, the basis, the background were built with all these technical tools in the market team. So these are the different technologies Oracle using to build their Fusion applications team. And Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. Here we have to spend some time, team. Everyone should know the background, evaluation of the Fusion application team. Built on best business processes. Means what, team? Whatever you are seeing here, team. Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. What are all these things, team? Prior to 2006, let's go back to the history. Prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP products available in the market owned by different companies, team. Prior to 2006 or even now, Oracle's ERP product is EBS, team. That was Oracle's own product. Then we have PeopleSoft owned by PeopleSoft Corporation, JD Edwards, Siebel. These all are the different ERP products owned by different companies in the market prior to 2016. But the problem during that time, okay, if I go to evaluation path, you can see, team. But the problem during that time, team, none of the applications are very good, mature, stable in all the business areas, team. For example, if you take Oracle's e-business suite team, own ERP during that time, EBS, that is very good, matured at financials business area team. Then PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, our HCM team. JD Edwards is good at procurement and financials team. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management business area. Hyperion, good at reporting. But team, none of the applications during that point of time is very stable, matured in all the business areas of the company's team. So what Oracle did, team, one of the biggest acquisition in the world happened during that time. In the year 2006, in the year 2006, with 18 with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all the products in the market, team. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, EBS. Anyhow, it's their own product during that time. So what Oracle did, team, by acquiring all these products, team, Oracle started building a new age applications that are Oracle Fusion, team. Why I kept this point, team? They built on best business processes, team. Oracle taken best of the best technologies in the market during that time, and it has taken the knowledge from that. From PeopleSoft, Oracle taken our HRMS knowledge, HCM knowledge. From JD Edwards, procurement knowledge. From Siebel, CRM knowledge. From EBS, financials knowledge. By acquiring the best products in the market, Oracle taken the knowledge from all of that and they built this Fusion applications team. So they want to launch a new age ERP applications, which is going to be a market leader in the future, team. That was the plan with Oracle during that time. So team, in 2006, Oracle acquired all these products, team. And in the year 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications into the open world. When Fusion applications actually launched, team, in the year 2011. Now, immediately, some of my friends will get a question. Kumar, we are in 2025 and you are telling these applications launched in 2011. Almost 14 years, Kumar. You are asking us to learn this technology now in 2025. Do we have demand for this? That's what common question even I will have if I attend the demo like this, team. See, yes, in 2011, Oracle introduced this. It's a beta version. Launch, it has done. But the actual start of the application in the market started from 2015 onwards, team. End of 2015, early 2016 onwards, team. Because these global products to get acceptance by the customers in the market, it will take considerable time. So 4-5 years it took team. From 2015, 2016 onwards only, the actual adoption of Fusion application started team. The best part here, why Oracle Fusion applications became very demandable now means team. Oracle Fusion applications, now we can say proudly, they are best of the best in all the business areas team. Like you take HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, you take procurement, you take reporting. In all the business areas, Oracle Fusion applications are very stable, very matured applications team. And one more advantage Oracle having is team, all the existing customers. Oracle acquired all these companies, right team? PeopleSoft, okay. PeopleSoft, okay. Then JD Edwards, Siebel. Oracle insisting all their existing customers to move to Oracle Fusion because team, as per the latest news, by 2032 or 2035 maximum team, Oracle stop supporting these products in the market. So Oracle insisting all their customers who using their PeopleSoft, Hyperion, Sable, EBS customers to move to Oracle Fusion because this is the future. Oracle want to put Oracle Fusion applications for next 25 to 30 years in the market team. So they are insisting all their existing customers to move to Oracle Fusion team. That is why from last 1-2 years, we have seen phenomenal hike in the Oracle Fusion applications market team. Now we can say proudly, even Oracle crossed SAP across the globe. People might have a doubt here. Kumar, what about SAP? Which is good? Or what about Workday? What is good? See, Oracle is a global product. Oracle spreaded their wings throughout the world. If you go to America, I mean US, if you go to Europe, you go to Asian countries, everywhere, or Middle East, maximum markets been penetrated by Oracle application team. Already Oracle crossed SAP application in terms of companies using the application team. So absolutely, this is the top ERP application in the market, we can say. If you go to Middle East, earlier we used to have Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle competing their SAP. But now many customers in UAE, Saudi, Kuwait, Oman moved to Oracle Fusion applications team because it's a cloud-based technology team. Everywhere now, technology is driven towards the cloud, easy to use, right? So these are cloud-based applications team, easy to use, easy to manage, and more secure applications team. So clients quietly accepting the Fusion applications team. That is the reason the demand when it rises team, consultants who working in this domain, the requirement also will rise. So that is the reason team. We've been seeing people till yesterday with 10 lakhs package if they are working. When they are switching the companies, double the packages from 10 to 20, 10 to 22, 23 also we have seen team. So even yesterday that if any one of you following my status as team, we have a person by name Shiva Reddy. He also got in Cognizant team from 7 lakhs to 15 lakhs he jumped at a time. That sort of offerings are there in the market. But I'm not saying that everyone will get that packages. You should be trained enough. You should be knowledgeable enough team. Then only companies will consider your profile. For everyone, they cannot offer the job, right? So the background of the Fusion application is this team. In 2011, though Oracle introduced this application, from 2015, 2016, the actual market started for Oracle Fusion team. Now the technology is at peak stage. And I can tell that team, any ERP application in the market will have a very long shelf life. Shelf life means what team? If you are learning in 2025 now, you joined the company in this technology. How many years in the market this technology will be there? Any ERPs you take as an example team, okay, from last 30-40 years we have like e-business suite you take, SAP you take, PeopleSoft you take, even now people working on that team. So these Oracle Fusion also team. If you are starting now, for next 15-20 years in the market, these technologies are going to be there. Till the time existence of business is there, existence of companies is there, ERP applications will be there. You no need to learn every time, every 1 year, two. Many people will have a common doubt when they're planning their career in IT. That is a myth. Usually people will leave to us, the colleagues or friends or family people to us team. What is that? In IT, all the applications are very dynamic. Every 1 year, 2 years, you have to upgrade yourself, or else, okay, or else you will get outdated about that, right, team? But in ERP applications, that is not correct, team. These are steadily moving applications, team. Phenomenal changes you will not expect in ERP application. So once you start your career, team, next 15-20 years in the market, in this technology only, you can survive. So absolutely no doubt about that. It will have very long shelf life in the market, team. So this is about team Fusion applications background, history, or evaluation team. Then team, they can be deployed through selection of options team, cloud and on-premise team. See, on-premise means that is the old traditional deployment option team. Whenever any customer used to buy the product from Oracle, PeopleSoft or EBS earlier team, they used to buy the application. They used to buy the server. They have to install that server in their office premises, install that application into that. Companies used to recruit database administrator, network specialist, security admins, everything related to the application. Companies used to maintain team earlier, but now everything moving towards cloud, right, team? So the best part here is, team, our Fusion applications are on a cloud-based technology. Cloud-based means what, team? Whenever any customer buy the product from Oracle team, application will come just in the form of this web link URL. See, team, I came to my Google Chrome in my laptop. Just I'm passing that URL here, team, and I'm searching. See, I'm searching. What it prompted me? Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. Anywhere, did I install this software in my laptop? Did I run any program to access the application? Nothing. Just in the form of URL. I have user ID and password, team. Like our Gmail, how we log in, or Facebook, how we will log in, right? Just pass the URL in the Google or any browser, team. It will prompt you. Once you give your user ID and password, and once you click on sign in, that's all, team. I can able to enter into the Fusion application, team. So this is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, team. This is the UI, the look and feel of the Fusion applications, team. So did I have any additional setups, team? Am I maintaining this application in my office in Hyderabad here? Or am I installing this software in my laptop or in my computer to run the program? Nothing, team. That is what. Why the demand for Fusion application phenomenally rises means completely on a cloud-based technology. So Oracle Fusion applications are deployed through selection of options means that one, team. Okay. So this is about, team, the background of the application. Now, types of companies involved. This is very important, team, particularly freshers or non-IT people. Please focus, team. Whenever you learning any technology, team, you should be know what are the types of companies involved in the usability of the product. First of all, team, service provider, team, nothing but company who selling the product. For example, team, this Oracle Fusion applications are owned by whom, team? Oracle Corporation. So service provider company or vendor company, nothing but Oracle India Private Limited. So Oracle is a company that is selling this Oracle Fusion applications, team. Like if you are using your iPhone, team, that is owned by whom? Apple Corporation. If you're using Samsung S21 or S22 mobile, that is owned by whom? Samsung Corporation, team, right? Similarly, Service provider or a vendor, nothing but company who own the product or company who is selling the product team. Example, Oracle India. Kumar, why IBM Deloitte came? I will come to this in 2 minutes. Okay. So Oracle India Private Limited is the service provider company team. Now, the most important thing is client or the customer. I am using the word from last 20 minutes, client, customer. Even team, whenever you are joining the organizations in the coming days, next 3-4 months, when you are joining the company, you will be hearing the word most frequently client or company, customer team. Who is called as client or customer company team? Company who purchasing the product from Oracle and using in their day-to-day life. For example, team Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T Infrastructure. Let's say Reliance Industries, we all know team. In our India, it's a very big MNC. Now, Reliance Industries want to purchase Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications from Oracle team in order to use in their day-to-day HR activities team. So, Reliance is called as client or customer team. Company who purchasing the product and using the product in their day-to-day life. That called as client or the customer company. So client buy the product from Oracle, service provider. So Reliance approached Oracle, they bought the product from Oracle team. Now Reliance want someone to implement the application according to their requirement. Reliance want someone to configure the application because team, when Reliance or any company buy the product from Oracle, blank application with all functionalities Oracle will deliver. It's a raw product, raw application team. So Reliance or any client or the customer company, in our example, I am taking Reliance team. It could be anything in reality. So team, whenever a client or a customer buy the product from Oracle, they require someone to configure the application according to their requirement team. How many companies they have, what sort of leaves they will provide to the employees, what sort of salary calculations they want to implement. So there should be someone to configure the system with their data. So what client or customer companies will do, they will reach out to consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies, what team? Companies who implement the product according to the client requirement. So-called software companies in the market we know. Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, Infosys, Wipro, so-called IT companies in the market team. So these all companies team will do the projects on these IT technologies team. So consulting companies are nothing but companies who implement the product, configure the product according to the client requirement team. So in our example team, Reliance bought the product from Oracle. Now Reliance reached it to Deloitte and Reliance given the project to Deloitte team. So Deloitte will implement the application. Once you learn this technology, you will be hired in these companies primarily. So in these consulting companies in the market team, as a Oracle Fusion HCM consultants, you will be recruited in this company's team. So once your company got the project from client, you will be deployed for that. You will be configuring the system according to their client requirement. I hope I made this point clear to everyone team. If you are speaking with someone, with your colleagues, if they're talking that my client is that, my client is this, now you are in a situation, right? In any IT application team, the structure remains same. There will be owner, service provider, who own the product, selling the product. There will be client, customer company, who purchased the product from service provider and they want to use in their company for day-to-day usage. And there will be consulting companies who help them to use the application according to their requirement team. So we will be working in these software companies as software engineers in this Oracle HCM Cloud technology team. Now, Kumar, why you kept IBM, Deloitte, Accenture? These are consulting companies you told no? Yes, team. See, our world is very big, right? We have 100 plus countries we have in the world. It's impossible Oracle alone to market their product. Perfect example, team. You take Apple iPhone. Nowadays, everyone fascinated towards this mobile, right? iPhone you take. Where you are purchasing iPhone, team, either you can go to Apple store directly and you can purchase, or Apple will partner with different wholesalers, team, Big C, Lot Mobiles, Bajaj Electronics, Chroma, right? Apple Mobile, you can buy directly from Apple Store, or else you can buy from other vendors also in the market. Similarly, this one also, team. Oracle alone cannot sell the product to the entire world. So Oracle also partners with these consulting companies, team. So Oracle, depending upon their business they do, Oracle will give cloud platinum partner, gold partner, silver partner, like that, team. That is not required to you. But even on behalf of Oracle, sometimes these consulting companies also will sell the product in the market, team. So that is why I kept these here, team. Okay, these are the wholesalers or distributors to Oracle. Simple, you can consider in that way. So these are the types of companies involved in the usability of the product, team. Now let me talk about, team, Fusion environment releases, team. The upgradation policy and environment releases. Very important. Stay focused. No one will tell these details to you, team. Any of the training, I can tell you that. In the interviews, these questions are very commonly asked questions, team. So stay focused. No need to write anything. All these material documented will be shared to you. Don't write anything in that class. Just understand the session clearly. Focus, team. What I told you, team, in 2011, Oracle introduced their applications, I told you. Correct, team? In 2011, Oracle introduced their applications, I told you, team. See, when Oracle introduced the applications in the market, team, they came up with R1, release version as R1, team. See, it's a software application. It will have the release versions, team. So R1 is the version Oracle launched their product in the market, team. Since then, now we are in 2025. Today is 26th March 2025. If you ask me as of today, the application evolved, team, from R1 to R13. The latest cloud application version is R13, team. The release time, they came up with a beta version. The release version is R1. It got evolved from last couple of years, team. Now the Fusion application version is R13, team. To be frank with you, by 2017 end and early 2018 only, we actually reached R13 version, team. But from then onwards, Oracle made this version as a static for Fusion, team, to make differentiated, because they have their EBS and all, team. To make the differentiated, team, Oracle made R13 as a static version. So if anyone asks you in the interview, in which versions you worked on, tell that R13. See, we're in 2025. Some of you, off the record I'm talking, some of you will keep some experience showcasing and you will apply for the jobs. 3 years, 4 years experience, fake experience or something. I'm not supposed to say that, but you might be manipulating and you will be dropping. During that time, you might get a question in the interview. In which releases of Fusion you have started your career? You are keeping 3 years or 4 years. We are in 2025, means 21, 22. That is what maximum you are keeping the period of experience, team. By that time, R13 only is there. From 2017, 18 onwards only, release 13 we have in the Fusion application. So if you get a question, definite question in the interview, team, 5-star market to be noted, in which release versions you have worked on, to know your knowledge in the subject, whether you are a fake experience or a genuine person. This one question is sufficient to the interviewer, team. So you tell that I have started my career from R13 onwards only. Because by 2017, 18 only, Oracle applications came with R13 as their release version team. Okay. From R1 to R10, okay, from R1 to R9 or R10 team, Oracle offered the application both in on-premise and cloud models team. People who purchased the product during this releases team, okay, way back 10 years back team. Both on-premise and cloud options Oracle given. Means either you can take cloud-based subscription or on-premise model, the old tradition model, where you have to buy the server from Oracle, everything you have to maintain. That option Oracle given. But from R10 onwards team, Oracle stopped on-premise completely. Now the Fusion application offered in the market only on a cloud-based subscription team. There is no on-premise model in Oracle Fusion now. So interviewer wantedly will confuse you. Have you not worked on on-premise model? What are the activities that we used to perform in on-premise deployment? Then tell that no. In Fusion, we don't have that. Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based model only. I have started my career also in cloud-based deployments only team. So by release 10 onwards team, Oracle stopped on-premise, completely offering in cloud-based model team. This is about team, the release version. But let me talk about some more team. If I go to the system, let me pick up team. What is the latest version of the application? Your training also will be conducted on the latest version. As of today, what we have. So team, I will explain you all these things in tomorrow's session team. What is the name of this URL we have to call? What are all these functionalities on the home screen? These all things we will touch base tomorrow team. Let me take up the version in the system team. What is the current version of the Fusion application? So if you come to right side settings and action button team, if you go to here about this application, you can see the version of your application team. Kumar, you told that R13 no Fusion. One second team. You told that release R13 no Fusion application is, then what is this Kumar? 25A something coming. Yes team. Oracle Application Development Framework, REL13. Middleware extension, REL13. Database compatibility, REL13. The Fusion application version as of today is R13 25A. What is this team? R13 25A. This is the latest Fusion version in the application team. What is that? R13 25A. Kumar, what is this 25A, 25? Some numbers are coming. What is this, Kumar? R13 25A means what? Now we have to talk about team upgradation policy in Fusion system. Oracle followed team quarterly upgradation policy team. Okay. Very important. Please focus here. Okay. What is that team? Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy. See, this is a software application team. Like how our mobile softwares will upgrade on a timely manner, or our Windows laptop you take, or MacBook you take. Our softwares are getting upgraded, right? From Windows 7 to Windows 8, Windows 8 to Windows 9, Windows 9 to Windows 10, or our Android mobile from Android 7 to Android 8 or Android 9.5. What happens, team, every time when our softwares are getting upgraded, what happens in our mobile team? Some new enhancements in the mobile we can observe. Some new features we will observe. How many of you using PhonePe application team as an UPI? I mean, Indian people I'm asking, people who joined from Middle East and UK, please ignore that. We all know, right? The people who joined today, the Indian people, I mean, all of us. PhonePe, we all know, the UPI payment gateway team. How many of you observed recently there is an upgrade in that? The look and feel of the application changed. New alignments came, new functionalities came, correct? Any software application team, on a timely manner, companies will upgrade their application. What happens every time? Every upgrade, some new enhancements in the application we can expect. Some new features, or any existing bugs are there. Bugs means any errors, anything are there in the system. Fixes to that. These all will happen, team. Similarly, in our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications also, team, Oracle on a timely manner will upgrade their application. What timely manner? Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Quarter means what, team? In a year, we have 12 months, team. Jan to December. In a year, we have 12 months, team. Correct. Quarter means what, team? Every 3 months is a quarter. In our financial terminologies, team, 3 months is a quarter, team. Correct? What are they? Jan to March is first quarter every year. Then April to June, second quarter. Then July to September, third quarter. Then October to, okay, December, fourth quarter. Right, team? Right, team? We have every year 4 quarters, team. Jan to April, Jan to March, 1 quarter. Then April to June, second quarter. July to September, third quarter. Then October to December, team, fourth quarter. Every year we have 4 quarters, team. Correct? Every year we have 4 quarters, team. So Oracle will upgrade their application for every 3 months, team. Huh? Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy because, team, Oracle investing a lot in their research and development to be more competitive in the market, to be very first in the market, top in the market, team, to give continuously the rich experience to their employees or sophisticated, safe experience to their employees, team. Oracle trying to improvise their application frequently, team. So Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade the application. Yearly, 4 times, Oracle will upgrade their application, team. Kumar, what happens during this time? Every quarterly upgrade? Yes, team. In every quarterly upgrade, Oracle will come up with some new enhancements in the system, team. Some new functionalities Oracle will bring in the system. Okay. Some new enhancements Oracle will bring in the system, team. New function. See, out of the scope, the entire application level changes you cannot expect, team. The basic cosmetic level enhancements, team. Some new functionalities Oracle will bring in the system. Any bugs in the system are there. Errors in the system. Bugs means they will fix it, team. So every 3 months, Oracle will get it upgraded, team. So, team, here Oracle will follow the versioning concept like this. Now the version is what, team? 25A. Release 13, 25A. What is 25A, team? 25A, team. Now we are in 2025 financial year. 2025 A means, team, Oracle categorized these 4 quarters into alphabet A, B, C, D. So Oracle designated 4 quarters in the year into A, B, C, D alphabets, team. It categorized it. So 25A means 2025 first quarterly upgrade. We are in the month of March now. Jan, Feb, March. First quarter we are in 2025. So the latest version is 25A. Next month we are going to get upgrade. Then the sequence will change to 25B. Then July month 25C. Then October month 25D. Every quarter the sequencing Oracle will follow like this, team. The numbering they will follow like this, team. Now we are in 25A. Then next 25B, 25C, 25D. So A, B, C, D designates which quarterly upgrade we are in, team. So now the latest version is R1325A. Last year, team, 24D, 24C, 24B, 24A. Next year, 26A, 26B, 26C, 26D. Like that, every year for 4 quarters, whenever they upgrade, the sequencing or the numbering, Oracle will follow like this, team. Kumar, then what is this, Kumar? 11.13.25. 11 stands for the year which Oracle introduced the applications, team. 2011, 2011. 13 stands for R13, release 13, team. Then 25 stands for 2025, the financial year, team. Then 01 stands for, we are in this 25A. In 25A quarter, team, A quarter, this is January month is what, team? Month wise 01. That is 01. 0 is common, team. Next, if anyone want, you can take a screenshot of it and you can ask me, team. Next month, when we are getting 25B upgrade, team, the versioning will be like this, team. Release 13, 25B, 11.13.25. April month 04. In the second quarter, April month is what, team? Fourth month, 04 it will take, team. Every quarterly upgrade. This is the sequence that Oracle will follow, team. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application, team. Quarterly upgradation. And team, if you are in the real-time projects, you have to be doing certain activities, team. What we will do, that I will take up in the workshop sessions, team. Okay. And one reminder, team, our admin team reaching out in the chat button to you in your Zoom meeting today to fill that Google form. So if you are already contacted to us, that's okay, team. But if you are directly joining the demo today, I request everyone, please fill that Google form. Today after the session, our team will reach out to you in the WhatsApp for the enrollments or the registrations, team. So please do fill the Google form, or else from tomorrow, we cannot share the meeting link to you, team. Please fill the Google form parallelly, team. So every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle doing, team, certain activities we will be doing, like we have impact analysis document we have to prepare. What are the new features coming in? We have to explain to the client. Then regression testings, sanitary checks, pre-upgrade, post-upgrade testings, that all we have to do. They are very new to you and very, what to say, confusion, very confused to you if I talk about them at this early stage. Today is demo, just high level we are covering, team. But once we start the program, we are going to conduct the workshop sessions on the real-time project implementation, team. During that time, I'll tell you, see, we'll be having a workshop, team. Once you go to the project, the end-to-end real-time project implementation, what are the different phases from project management plan to till the go live? What is as is study, to be study, what is CRP1, CRP2, what is UAT phase, KUT phase, okay, or transition phase, data migration phase, go live, hypercare support. In each phase, what documents you will prepare? RD50 means what? CV10 means what? BP80 means what? Or BR100 means what? These all I'll be touch basing to you in the placement sessions, team. We have a separate workshops for the placement activities. During that time, we'll be talking about this project implementation phases, team. And during this time, we will talk about both implementation and support projects overview, team. If you are joined in a support project, what will be your role in that? How the tickets will come? When we are explaining you this, I'm going to touch base on this part, team. In real-time projects, when you are working, if at all quarterly upgradation coming in the system, what activities we have to perform? Because, team, one common question in the interview you will get. Shiva will come to you after the session. You can lower the hand, no problem. One question commonly you will get, team, in the interviews, definitely. Okay. In quarterly upgrade, what activities you will be performing in the project? So what we will do, that I will tell you in the projects when I'm explaining, team. But here at this point of time, I want every one of you to be understanding what is the environment releases and upgradation cycle that Oracle will follow, team. So every time when new upgrade is coming, I told you Oracle will come up with some new enhancements in the system where you can find that Oracle will release the documents, team. See, in this module, these new functionalities we are bringing in like that. So in tomorrow's session, you will be get covered with that, how to access the release notes in the system. Or recently in our YouTube channel also, team, Triotech Software Training's YouTube channel, we uploaded the video. If anyone wants, you can even refer from that, or else in tomorrow's session, I will cover that, team. So this is about, team, environment releases and quarterly upgradation policy. Now let us move to the most important requirement for every one of us to understand. What are the modules we have in this technology? Many of you will have a doubt here. Kumar, what are the total concepts we have? What comes under functional? What comes under technical? Can you explain us? Let us talk about that, team. Our technology is what, team? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, right, team? Our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, team. So here, team, under Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, we have different modules, team. We have different modules in Fusion HCM, team. Let me first list it down and then I will tell you what comes under functional, what comes under technical. In Fusion system, team, in Fusion HCM Cloud, we have the modules like global HR, global human resource, or we can shortly call it as core HR or global HR team. Then we have absence management. Then we have payroll management. Okay. Then we have payroll management. Okay. Then we have talent management. Within talent team, we have multiple concepts, like we have profile management, then succession management, goal management, performance management, talent review, like couple of options we have in profile talent management team. Then we have team compensation and benefits module, team. I'm listing out what all components we have in this technology team. Actually, these two are two different modules, team, but we call them as together, compensation and benefits. Then we have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have team OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have team ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. And then team, we have some advanced modules like help desk and safety, or and HCM communicate, right, team? So these are the total modules we have in the Fusion application, team. Okay. A part of these modules, team, we have some more concept. Let me list out them. We have something called, team, security administration. Okay. Then we have something called workflows and approvals. Then we have something called customizations and personalizations, team. Okay. We have a concept here, team, called sandbox. In this, we have a couple of concepts, team, page composer, HCM design studio. Now, we have many things, team. We can talk about that later. Then we have, team, something like inbound integrations. Okay. In inbound integrations, team, we have something like HDL, HCM data loader. Okay. In short, we call it as HDL. Then we have spreadsheet data loader. In short, we call it as SDL, right, team? And then we have something like outbound integrations, team. What is that? Outbound integrations. In outbound integrations, team, we have something like We have something like BI reports, BI publisher reports. Then we have OTBI reports. Okay. Then we have HCM extracts reports. Okay. So we have three tools here in outbound team. And then we have something like fast formulas. Fast formulas. See team, these are the total concepts we have in HCM Cloud. No other thing is missed out here. Entire Oracle HCM Cloud concepts team. Now, if you ask me, Kumar, what comes under functional, what comes under technical in the system? These all modules will come under functional. What is that team? These all modules will come under functional side of the application team. These concepts will come under technical side of the application team. But here I will tell you something, team. If you ask me personally, team, security, workflows, customization, these three, I will tell they are also part of functional only. But team, for the training purposes, team, many institutes, even I am also following the same pattern, many institutes outside team, to give the technical curriculum bit more, because technical scope in Fusion application is very limited, team. In EBS, technical consultants used to have high demand, but in Fusion, technical scope is limited. Functional guy can take care of technical stuff also. So to make a curriculum for technical separately team, these three concepts are offering under technical trainings everywhere. But if you ask me, these are also part of functional. But let us go with the market, how it is going as of now. So team, these comes under functional side of the application. These comes under technical side of the application team. So what are these team? Let me have a walkthrough about them. In core HR module team or global HR module team, we will configure entire client's organization's work structures. Simply team, employee management will handle in core HR module. Hiring of the employee, maintaining of the employee, their transfers, promotion, demotions, their assignments, their resignations, the entire hire to retire, employee management will handle in core HR module team. We are going to see that. Then absence management team. As we all know team, in every company, if you are working anywhere, your company also will provide different types of leaves to you. So it's a leave management module. Here we are going to configure the different types of leaves that our client providing to their employees. What are their calculations? What are their rules? Yearly, how many days? How an employee can apply the leave in the system. Entire leave management will handle in this absence module team. Then payroll, salary management team. For in every company, every month we will pay salaries to the employee team. That entire salary processing, configuring the salaries, payrolls, payments and all will handle in payroll module team in the system. Then talent management, we have one module. See, in every company, performance appraisals will be there. Every year, companies will conduct performance appraisals team. Then managers will give the ratings and reviews. Employee promotion, demotion will decide team. So we have talent management to handle that performance appraisals in the system team. Then we have compensation and benefits modules team. A part of salary team, any payments you want to do to the employee. Let's say company want to pay bonus to the employee, overtime to the employee, some shift allowance to the employee, or company want to allocate some shares to the employee, stocks to the employee. A part of regular salary, any payments that you want to do in the compensation module, we will handle all that activities in the system team. Then benefits module is there. In some countries team, in US, if you take an example, employees will be enrolled with different insurance plans, medical insurances, health insurances, life insurances. So that all will be handled in the benefits module to the employees mapping team. Then we have OTL team, Oracle Time and Labor. What is this? In every company, employee attendance is important, right? While employee entering the office, biometrics will be there. Thumb impression, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out, time sheets, employee attendance recording and tracking. We will handle in OTL module team, Oracle time and labor module we have in the system. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. See, nowadays team, if you are onboarding any company giving you some portal access and asking you to complete the mandatory trainings, and they're conducting some exams there. So in the organization, if the company want to conduct any trainings to their employees, video courses, live Zoom classes, and they want to review them, conduct the examinations, issuing the certifications, for all the training activities team, within Fusion application, Oracle given Oracle Learning Cloud as a module team. So that module we have in the system. Then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. In every company, to handle all the recruitment activities team. For example, in the sales department, people the sales department people identify that they want 3 resources, sales executives to be hired team. So the sales department people, the business people will inform to the HR in the company. We want 3 people, sales executive is the position, we have to hire them. So what the HRs will do team, they have to post that job requirement in the different job portals, Naukri, LinkedIn, Indeed, whatever they are using team. They will download the profiles, they will schedule the interviews, they will conduct the interviews, release the offer letters, onboard the employees. Entire employee selection onboarding will handle in ORC module. Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have help desk and communicate. This is team, an internal ticketing tool within the Fusion system. Across the employees, you want to build a communication team, like how we have Slack, how we have our messengers team. Within Fusion system, within the employees in the organization, if they want to build a communication panel team, communicate and help desk modules we have in the system team. And then we have security administration one module team. Means, see, for every employees, ours is HCM application team. If any client using the system team, for every employee, they have to give the portal access, because employee have to log in, employee have to check his employment details, employee have to apply the leaves, check his pay slips, everything. So team, in security administration module, we will be seeing the user creations, access provisions to the employees and all team. That module is security team. Then we have workflows and approvals team. In every module in the system team, your client might ask you, whenever any HR hiring an employee, Kumar, in the system, it should go for concerned manager approval. Or Kumar, in absence module, if an employee applying the leave in the system, it should go for concerned manager for approval. We have a module called workflows and approvals team, where we can set up the approval flows for different transactions in the system team. We have one module that is workflows and approvals team. Then we have team customizations and personalizations. Means now when I log in team, here I'm getting Oracle logo. The background theme coming with some blue color. These icons are in white color. My client want to personalize this, customize. Kumar, here I want my company logo. Or these icons should be color coded with differently. The background theme should be changed. So any page within the system team, you want to customize, you have a concept called a sandbox. So customization and personalization of the application we can do in this module team. Then we have inbound integrations team. It means team, data migration tools we have. Any data from outside, you want to bulk import into the Fusion system, because team, when we go for the project implementations, for example, you take some X company team, now you go to the project implementation team. They bought Oracle Fusion. By this time, they might be using SAP team. From SAP, they are moving to Oracle Fusion. You are in that project. So your client have some 10,000 employees data in their old legacy system of SAP. You have to migrate them into Fusion. So for bulk data migrations, Oracle given HDL and spreadsheet data loaders team. So we are going to see them in the inbound integration concept team. Inbound, any data from outside, inbounding into the system. We have two data migration tools team. Then similarly, we have team outbound integrations in the system. Reports team, any data your client want to fetch from the system team. Yet today my client asking me, Kumar, in the month of February, how many people I recruited in Hyderabad location? Can you give me the report? Or how many employees in the month of February or March applied sick leave? Please extract the report. So team, any data from the system, the real-time data, if client want to check, we have three reporting tools Oracle given. BI reports, OTBI reports, extracts. These are the reporting tools we have in the system. Then the most important and happening concept, fast formulas team. So in absence, in payroll, in compensation, OTL, for several calculations, several validations, logics to write, Oracle given a concept called fast formula team. So these are the total concepts we have in HCM cloud application. Here team, one particular report, BI report, only in this BI report team, you require SQL knowledge. Rest of the parts, without that, you can manage team. So only in the BI. Kumar, I don't know SQL. You told that zero coding. Yes, don't worry. If you are not aware of SQL part, ignore this, because team, no one in the market who is working. See, as a trainers, for training, we will be learning all the modules team. But a consultant who working in this technology in the market, no one will have the knowledge on all the aspects team. It's a myth. If anyone is there, means no one will be there. So this particular one component we will not keep in the resume. As simple as that. We will cover as part of training. But if you are not aware of SQL, BA reports we will exclude from the resume. Remaining concepts you will keep. That's all team. Whoever know that, you can keep BA reports also. So this is what team, functional and technical in the system. Kumar, what we are getting covered in this training team? See team, before that I will tell you roles in this technology team. Okay, Pawan constantly messaging me here. What type of roles I have to search? I'm coming to that. See team, what type of roles that market will be recruiting us in this technology team? See, clear cut market recruiting. We have team functional consultants. Okay, we have functional consultants. 10 minutes team, I'm going to end up. Then technical consultants. Okay, and then the most demanded techno-functional consultants. Okay, techno-functional consultants. See team, in the market, if you ask me, we will be hired on these three bases team. Either you can learn only functional, that too not all the modules team, at least 3 to 4 modules if you learn sufficient team. Okay, you can drop as a functional consultant. If not, you can drop your profile as a technical consultant. But the high demanded role is techno-functional. Simple team. Company will always consider from cost cutting point of view. In a project, rather than taking two people, if I take one person who knows both, that would be a cost saving to the company. I no need to pay two salaries, right? That is what company is looking at. Because in Fusion system, the technical scope is limited team. Functional people are handling technical works also. So nowadays, the most happening role in the market, techno-functional team. If you ask me team in a project, let's suppose if 10 resources are working in a project team, let's assume, okay, functional will be 6 to 7 people team. Technical will be only 2 to 3 people. That is what the technical weightage in the Fusion system team. 6 to 7 functional, 2 to 3 technical resources will be there in the project team. So if you learn only technical, no, it will not at all helpful to your team. Even if you learn only functional to an extent, okay, but try to get your profile with techno functional. This is what the most happening recruiting designation team. When you drop the resume in the Naukri, if you drop with techno functional, the call will immediately schedule to you. The skill set matters here, team. So I also suggest every student of mine to be prepared with techno functional. So as part of our training also team, this is a techno functional HCM training team. What we cover from functional, we cover these modules team. Whatever I'm bolding, you can focus. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation, we will cover team. Okay. Then technical front, these all as part of technical will be covered. Nothing left out here. Because team, as I told you, no one will work on all the modules in the system. It's impossible even from the training to cover also in the 3 months period. At least 3 modules, any 3, core, absence, payroll, core, absence, talent, core HR, absence, mandatorily you have to keep. They are the important modules. On top of that, payroll or talent or compensation, any 3 modules, if you have time, any 4 modules, along with this security aspects. You can remove BIP, not required. You can keep inbound other reports. You will still consider as technical team. So 3 to 4 modules from functional, and these technical, if you keep, then your profile can be dropped as a techno-functional consultant team. So designations will vary from company to company. Some companies you will be called as consultants. Some companies you will called as analyst, associate, engineer, specialist. Company to company, the designations will vary, team. Okay. And team, the most important point I want to tell you in the career progression team. As I told you, it will have very long shelf life. For next 15 to 20 years in the market, the ERP technologies of Oracle HCM Cloud is going to be there. No doubt about that. Kumar, why you are telling that strongly? How come you predict the future? We've been seeing the trends in the last 30, 40 years, team. EBS you take, PeopleSoft you take, SAP you take. From 40, 45 years they are in the market. Still people are working, retiring from that team. Our pre-generation, our uncles are our family people, if you see, they used to work in these domains. Now they are retiring team. So ERP applications will have long shelf life. And one more thing, if you start your career in this ERP applications, in any IT companies team, project managers, directors, to that extent, the ERP people only will be their team. The core technical person who works on a Java, Python, in his career progression, he cannot reach to that heights team. People who working in the ERP domains only, companies will be considering them for the higher management positions also in the coming futures. You can start your career with a fresher as a associate consultant or a junior consultant to till if you have really the talent to the extent of directors, to the extent of vice presidents to the companies also team. So to that career progression in these technologies, you will have team. But where you will be going and you are stopping, that is depends upon your skill set and your expertise team. Okay. Just for your information, I'm sharing that. So this is about team. What are all the modules we cover as part of the program? Now, team, let me quickly talk about the offerings team. What are the course offerings? So as I told you, team, this program will be for the duration of 3 months. Everyone, please, you can look at my slide, team. This program will be for 3 months. 90 plus hours it will be, considering the training, including the placement workshops, team. Then the timings every day, Monday to Friday, 7 to 8 a.m. IST. As such, today is demo, and already we started the session bit late today. We have an extension team. Absolutely sorry for that. But from tomorrow, strictly session will start by 7 and it will end by 8, because From 8:10, I have another session followed by team for other batch. So 7 to 8 is your slot every day. Monday to Friday, 7 to 8 a.m. Weekends, no classes. We will give the assignments. You can practice team. Then once you enroll team, already our team reached out for the Google submissions team, form submission. Please fill out, or else you can reach out to this number that you are seeing on the slide team. Today will be the enrollment day. After enrollment team, you will be provided with the portal access team. What is that? Everyday sessions team. Just you go to our website, triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. Once if you go to Triotech Software Trainings, here you will get live classes login team. Once you go here and once you log in with your credentials, this account portal access will be provided to you after the enrollment today. If you go to enrolled courses team, your courses will be available here team. Every day you can go to your course, all the sessions, you can play the session here team. So this will be for lifetime access team. So if you miss the session any day also, don't worry. You will have the backup by next 1 hour. 7 to 8 is the session. By 9:30, session will upload in the portal team. So lifetime access to the recordings will be given to you. Once you get your account password, you can reset your password. That is for you, lifetime. Then you will get Oracle Cloud application access for 5 months period team for practicing the application, the assignments or the projects that what we are going to give you. The end-to-end you can able to practice in the cloud application team. So this is what in the real time when you are working in the projects, whatever the instances that you will work, it will be the same team. So 5 months of Oracle Cloud instance will be given to you for practicing. And then for every module, custom manuals or the materials will be given team. This drive folder, if you could see my screen team, Triotech HCM batch materials team. For every module, we have the folders, core HR, comp, absence, payroll, talent, security, outbound, inbound, workflows and approvals. For every modules, we have the folders team. If you get into that, for every module, the required materials we have provided team. Here, if you come, this is a 130-page document for our core HR module. Starting from today, next 20 days, whatever we are going to discuss, this PDF will be talking about that. Everything, what we discuss it in, with screenshots, navigations. If you don't have the time to watch the videos, if you go through this manual also, you can able to implement that module team. For every module, this customized student manuals will be provided to you. Along with that, for every module, we will provide you assignments also team, the real-time assignments team, whatever the projects that we are working on or worked on. So this is an assignment for absence module. The real-time requirement we will give you. You have to configure that in the system team. You can share it back for the evaluation. So for every module, custom materials and also assignments will be provided to your team. So this folder access you will be getting after the enrollment today, portal and material access team. Now coming to the placement assistance team. So usually you will have the doubts assistance every day after the class I will be available team. At the same time, we will be providing you WhatsApp dedicated number for support activities. Every day 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the Indian timings, our team will be available. So other trainers from my team who will be part of my HCM team, they are available in that number. They are not admin team. They are HCM trainers from my team will be available to address your issues. And as I told you, for every module, the real-time project assignments we will give you. You can practice them hands-on so that you will get the real-time knowledge on the application team. So if you keep experience also, let's say some of you might be in your mindset to keep 4 to 5 years of fake experiences and you want to drop the resume. Even then, when you attending the interview, you can portray yourself with 4 to 5 years of experience. I can say that team, after this program, you will be in a situation, if a person who really worked on for 4 or 5 years, what level of knowledge he will have in the system. After this training, we will try to take you to that extent. So when you attending the interviews also team, you will be in a situation to answer them. For that team, resume preparation, we will help you out. Like you will get the resumes folder also team. Here bunch of resumes will be there. Once you prepare and you send it back, our team will guide you for further updations team. Then for every module team, interview questions and answers. Everyone will provide questions, but we provide interview questions with answers team. If you go to this folder, for every module team, we have question along with that answer also available team. So here it consists of fresher interview questions, scenario based question, real time scenario based. Because team, I usually have the habit, I will ask my students who are attending the interviews to record their interview team so that they will get some clarity what questions being asked, what they are answering team. After that, they will take some suggestions, guidance from me. So we have prepared the material from all the real-time interviews that what our students been attending team. So here you will get the ample repository before you attending the interviews team. So interview question and answers also you will get as part of material. And team, every Saturday from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. in Hyderabad Triotech office team. We are based out in Hyderabad, KPHB 9th phase beside Forum Mall. In Hyderabad team, every Saturday we will be having the mock drives happening team. So people who are interested, you can participate in mocks. If you are not from Hyderabad, you're from other cities or other countries, no problem. We will schedule the Zoom interviews also team. Here, the panel will be the real-time working professionals team. My colleagues, my friends, my old students like you who passed out 4 years, 5 years back team. So they will be part of the panel so that you will get more realistic expectation team. What is going to be in the interviews that you are going to attend team. And then team, every month, companies will be reaching out to us team for trained resources. So we do also share the requirements team for the job openings. It might be freshers or experienced team. So here, this is about team course offerings team. So if you have to see the course fee, many of you already know about this, but let me just walk through this team. The actual price of the course is 25,000 team. People who enrolling for every batch for day one, we will have an early bird offer team. People enrolling on day one, that is today, we have an offer price that is 22,999 with some additional benefits team. Here I told you, you will get 5 months of server access team. But people enrolling with this offer price, you will be getting 2 months additional server access. Total 7 months server access you will get, worth of 6,000 rupees team. Along with that, real-time project HDL templates. Here I told you, right team, HDL. It's a very tough tool in the system team. So here ready-made pre-built-in templates for HDL or fast formulas. If you see, we have ready-made built-in fast formulas team in our projects what we worked on. It will make your life simple and easy to handle them. So real-time project fast formula templates and HDL templates also you will get in this offer. It is bundled up team. So I request everyone, whoever getting enrolled, please do confirm the enrollment today so that you will be enrolled with this discounted offer price team. So the price will be added up with the GST, 22,999 plus GST will be the course fee team. Because GST is nowadays, we cannot skip that. Government is very particular about that. Even we been asked to maintain that team. So the course fee will be 22,999 plus GST for today, the early bird offer team. Please reach out to the number that you are seeing on the slide here for the enrollment, or else we will share today's demo recording to you in the WhatsApp that you submitted in the Google form team. Our team will reach out to you in the WhatsApp with the payment details team. So this is about course fee. So if you could see team, some of the job referrals that how we do. Once after you enrolling today, you will be added into WhatsApp community team. So whatever the requirements we'll get freshers, experienced, everything. We will post it accordingly, team, in the communities. And also, if you see some of our student success stories here, team, placement proofs, even you can find them in our Instagram channel, video bites from the students. If you want to find in our YouTube channel, you can find team. These are some of the placement proofs that recently selected students team with the trainings. They've been sharing back with their happy notes to me, like they got selected in so and so company team. I would have given the live video testimonials, but the problem is many of you are showcasing the experiences and you are dropping team. So considering their privacy, we are not portraying that, but you can see that the placement success stories team, that what they have replied back to us. So these are the few success stories in the last 1-2 months the students got placed here in different companies team. Even you can find out directly in the Google also to get the feedback of the training team. And these are the companies that who recently recruited our candidates. We have few more, like we have Avalon Software, B Trions, Clover Infotech. Then we have what to say, DriveStream. These are the companies particularly recruited freshers team. They conducted freshers drive and they have conducted that. They have recruited team. So these are the placement success stories that you can able to find from the Triotech team. So I will be the trainer for the program team. If you have any doubts, anything, you can walk into the office at any point of time. I will be available. Even through Zoom or through WhatsApp, our team will be available to support team. Now let me go to the Q&A team. So that's all for today from my side. Any questions with respect to today's demo team? See, if anything you want to discuss regarding your gap filling experiences, better we will discuss that offline because the session is recording. We will upload it in open platform in YouTube. That doesn't looks good. Anything related to the gap experiences, how to keep that we can discuss offline team. Apart of that, any question with respective to the today's demo, please let me know. And team, from tomorrow, only enrolled participants will be getting the Zoom meeting link. Today is a demo, it's a free session for everyone. From tomorrow, only enrolled participants will get the Zoom link. So please do confirm the enrollments today so that you will be added into the WhatsApp group team. Now, please let me know if you have any questions, team. Monica, noted. I understand, Monica. Fine. Now you can drop Monica if you have the office. No problem. It's Q&A only. There, you can unmute and you can ask me. You've been
Okay,
given with
okay.
the permission. Yeah.
Okay, Kumar. Thank you.
Thank you. No problem. Sir, his OTL is also covered in the course. Person name with the Dell. OTL we are not covering in this program. If you want any external videos, we can provide because by this curriculum only 3 months is a very tight schedule for us. We cannot add more into this. So these are the things that what I highlighted will be covered as of now. Then I can see a question from Neha Kumar wants to talk to you. Yes, Neha, you can call to this number that what you are seeing on the slide. The team will helpful to you. And yeah, you're working as EBS.
This is Kiran.
Ravi, OIC will not be covered. For OIC, we have a separate program that started yesterday. Evening batch it is going on. Technical plus OIC. You can call Neha in this number. Team will. Then role of AI, Murali. See, artificial intelligence is not a replacement to our technology. You can forget about that. Nowhere. AI already started in Fusion system as an extension for supporting to the people who working in that. Like whenever we are configuring anything to give some sort of data right up there, something like that, AI came into the Fusion system. But never ever AI is a obstacle or a what have to say taboo for you recruitment or for your job losing on that. It's just a help, hand on hand help to you. That's all. But it's not a replacement to you. Pawan, hi sir, I have a doubt. I know this very early to ask this kind of question. I just want to know what to search in LinkedIn or Naukri. Pawan, you search with Oracle Fusion HCM consultant, associate, or just give the keyword Fusion HCM or Oracle Cloud HCM like that, and you search. You will get that titles coming over there. Okay. Yes, Kiran, please.
Hi, Kumar.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Kumar. This
Anyone,
is
please.
Kiran. Actually, I heard that This structure, I mean, the fusion structure looks like the same workday structure. Is it the same?
Sorry, HCM sector. What is your
Uh,
question?
Oracle Fusion HCM structure looks like the workday structure. I mean, the same
These are two
supervisory
different ERP
organizations.
products. Workday is one ERP application. Then Oracle Fusion we have SAP. These all are counterparts. Let's say mobile is there. We have Samsung, Lenovo, Oppo, iPhone. Different products offered by different companies. Similarly, Workday is one of the ERP application offered by Workday Corporation. People, when Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, that owners only left and they have started Workday. These are counterparts. But see, Workday is concentrated only towards the US market, not the entire globe. To compete with Oracle, Workday have to spend more time to get into that level. But now Oracle acquired the entire globe and also it tossed SAP now. Okay.
See the same modules in the workday also. So that's
Same counterpart, no, same applications only these are offered by different companies. That's all.
okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Kumar. I'm Navya.
Yeah. Okay, who is that?
Yeah.
Hello?
Uh,
Navya. Yeah.
yes, yes. Kumar, you mentioned that for technical part for BI reports, we need some understanding of SQL. What about like for non-IT background or the freshers who doesn't know a
That's what
knowledge
I
of it?
told you.
Like,
That's what I told you. You can ignore that concept. It's not a mandatory thing to keep in the resume. We are keeping the rest of the components, they are sufficient. People from non-IT, you separately now don't waste the time to learn the SQL. It is not mandatory for you. You can ignore that. You don't keep this component in the resume. Okay.
okay.
Next question,
And
Navya.
one more doubt. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, please.
and you mentioned that there will be mock interviews conducted every like Saturday.
Mhm.
Like, is that after completing all the course, we have to attend that, or is there any possibility that after completing each module, we can prepare that and we can come for only for
See, that
that
is not
module?
easy to accommodate for every module. Usually, we will say that at least 3 to 4 modules, if you complete, you can attend because that is what the market expectation. Module by module will be difficult for me also to handle, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Next team.
Hello, Mr. Kumar.
Yeah. Hi, Neha.
Sorry, this is a wife laptop.
Yeah.
I
Sorry.
enrolled. I am Ajit Parasharya.
Yeah.
Actually, I am a principal consultant in Oracle ERP, but the experience is to by 18 years now.
No
I
problem.
lost
Yeah.
the transition actually. Yeah,
Hmm.
I worked almost 18 years.
Yeah.
I did not transition into SCM. So,
Understood.
do you understand, like, is it worth? Because
No,
see, I don't
definitely it
find
will work. The
R12,
only thing, the
EBS
only
R12
thing
is
is,
no more live.
hmm.
I'm just want to transition into SCM. Is
Understood.
it
See,
worthwhile? Yeah.
EBS experience you have, the only thing
Yeah.
is whenever you are dropping the resume, try to
Hmm.
change the roles and responsibility into Fusion. At least last 4 to
Certainly.
5 years, you've been working in
Certainly.
Oracle
Certainly. I
Fusion
understand.
HCM. Like
In
that,
fact,
it
I
will.
led quite few projects also for fresh implementation, but I don't have an hands-on, so which is why I joined. Can I
No,
talk to you on that number, Mr.
you can
Kumar?
talk to me, no problem. You can
Yeah,
call me at
I
11
will
o'clock.
enroll and just wants to talk to you a little
No
deeply.
problem, no problem. You
Are
can
you
call
available
that
on that
number.
number? Yeah,
Yeah, that number you can call. 11 o'clock, team will
sure.
transfer that call to me. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, yes. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Kumar.
I need some time, just 2 hours is
Yeah, yeah,
very
yeah.
yeah.
Certainly. Please.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Kumar, are we going to cover Redwood UI? Santosh, yes. Redwood UI enablement. What is Redwood? Everything will be covered in this. And Dell, I have seen many job openings with Oracle. See, I don't know what you are seeing. I don't know the person by name Dell. It's the perception that you having. It's not a generalized thing. When we search in Facebook also, if you search for one person with relevant names, different options will come to you. That's a search option that we have in the Naukri or LinkedIn. But you search correctly, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, you will get with all the modules in the system. No one will recruit only with OTL. What they will do only with OTL by recruiting you, by giving you 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs packages. Companies doesn't require for only one module. Nowhere like that. Whatever that I have mentioned, techno functional, 3 to 4 modules from functional. and 4 to 5 concepts from technical. Then only your profile will consider. With only 1 or 2 modules, it doesn't helpful to you. And Raj, Kumar payroll will cover US or any other. Raj, we will cover it from all perspective. Particularly US, we will take into consideration. But at the same time, we will cover from UK what we have. If it is a Middle East payroll, what we have. So it's a global payroll experience you will get. Again, specific to US will be mostly covered. And next, any questions, team?
Kumar, hi, this is Pramod here.
No?
Sir, do we have location-specific opportunities for this course or?
Nothing like that, Pramod. Because see, nowadays, even from startup mid-level companies to MNCs, everywhere these projects are available. Companies doing the projects. And even I can tell you one thing. COVID is not new for the consultants working in Oracle Fusion, making their life work from home. Prior to COVID also, see, these are consulting jobs. Prior to COVID also, we have many remote opportunities, many work from homes. Before COVID also, I have been never to office for 3-4 years. That is the kind of technology or the kind of work environment we have. So remote job opportunities will be also there. At the same time, there is no location constraint. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Chandigarh, Delhi, across everywhere, the recruitment will be happening because there is no particular compulsion that candidates should come sit in the office and they have to work. So nowadays, many companies opting remote job opportunities in this domain as well. And Rajesh, yes, please. Or Aish.
Yeah, Hare, hi, Kumar.
Hi.
My question is, do you take personal classes also, like physical classes, in at your institute, or it's only
Physical
online?
we don't have, but for practice purpose, students can come every day 9:30 to 6:30. Office will be open, but session
Oh,
will be in the morning time only because many of your working professionals 7 to 8 will be online is suitable to everyone.
okay. So person who has enrolled in your course, so he can come
You
to
can
your.
come to office, sit in the office, and you can practice the whole day.
Oh, so we just have to get our laptops,
Correct.
or
No, you have to
okay,
get your laptop. Yes.
okay,
Okay.
oh, got it.
Yes. So I will be also available in the office. You can come down. Not at least throughout the day, but half day I will be available every day. Okay. Because I do
Uh,
have some projecting works. Yeah.
Kumar, I have
Next, please.
another question.
Yeah.
After this 3 months of course, so how soon we get the job after this
The
3 months?
maximum you have to keep the bracket of 4 months from now. 3 months it will take for the training or 10 days here and there plus or minus because few festivals will come. Some days we will give it for assignments also team. All 3 months will not be the classes. One or the other day in a week I will give for assignment too. So 3 months to 3 months, 10 days that course will take. More 1 month will be your time for preparation, end to end full revision. So 4 months, ideally, you have to keep in mind. Fifth month, you have to get placed. That is the target everyone should keep.
Okay, so the interviews would be a virtual or in-person interviews. What?
It depends upon company to company. Maximum companies doing virtual only. In person means any drives happening means that you can attend. But usually in person company, sorry, virtually only the interviews are getting happen. Okay.
So actually, I have a non-tech experience. I think I have spoken to you over the
Yeah,
phone. I
Pramod, I
mean,
remember, yes, yeah.
so if that would be considerable, right? The experience which I have.
Considered, yes. So as I told you, whatever the approach, you have to go with that way, then definitely it will be considered. No problem. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Well, team, we'll conclude here for today. I'm sorry, messages are keep on coming in the chat board. Kumar sir, please conclude. We have the office. So fine, let's conclude here for today, team. Let's join back tomorrow. From tomorrow, the actual training will be starting. So I request everyone, team, complete the enrollment procedure, team, so that you will be added in the WhatsApp group and will be shared with the portal access material and Zoom meeting link for the tomorrow session, team. So we'll join back tomorrow and we'll start with our introduction to the application and what we left over today, team. Certification, repository, these things I have not covered. These two, an introduction to application, we will start from tomorrow, team. So thank you everyone for joining the session and sorry everyone to keep you wait till this time. Once again, thank you everyone, team. Let's join back tomorrow. please complete the enrollments. Our team will reach out to you in WhatsApp team.